Connect the cables to the projector. If you are using a control pad, connect the Cat6 cable to the HD Base T port. If your model does not support HD Base T, or if you have additional sources and cables, you can connect VGA and HDMI cables and connect a USB cable to the USB port for interactive functionality. Connect the touch cable to the TCH port and the touch unit. Connect the power cable to the projector. Arrange the cables in a manner that best fits your installation and secure any extra cabling on top of the mount arm. Attach the cable cover. Then connect the power cable to the power outlet.